Hi everyone. I've had a couple of people message me saying if I could give you some information on applying for a Carnet. So I'll give you some information from what I can remember, and if it helps, great. So first of all, this is the Carnet, and I applied for this a couple of weeks ago, 28th of March I think, and it's come through now. But basically what you have to do, you have to go and register on www.ecert, that's ECERT .sgs.com. That's where you register, and then if you're stuck and you need some information about what to do exactly, if you speak to Jonathan Crosby at Birmingham Chamber of Commerce, he is very, very helpful, and he'll talk you through it exactly what you need to know. His telephone number is 0121 274 3217, and his email address is j.crosby, CROSBIE, at birmingham-chamber.com. So this is my Carnet, and you have to list everything you're taking with you. Well, I'm still not 100% sure whether we actually need a Carnet, but so on my list I've obviously put the cart, my two engines, a box of nuts and bolts, washers, rivets, extension leads, box of gears, box of GoPro spares, lens covers, etc., gas ring and kettle. Obviously the kettle is very important. You know, all the bits and bobs that you take, carbs, jets and compressor, tyres, awning complete, cool boxes, toolbox containing hand tools, cart stand, a few other bits and bobs, racing leathers, boots, wetsuit, gloves, Makita drill, Makita screwdriver. I valued my kit at £14,915. It's quite hard to put a value on it, but I don't think you should go over the top. And that's about it really. When you get to, well, we go from Hull to Rotterdam, so when you get to Hull you have to go and find the customs people, and they sign a part of your document. When you then get to Hull, you'll go through the Dutch customs, and then they also sign your document. Whether they check everything in the van, that's up to them. And then when you're returning, you go into Holland, you then go back into the Dutch customs, and they'll sign whatever they've got to do. And then when you get back to the UK, same again. It's a load of faffing around which we don't need, especially as we're not doing this as for commercial reasons. We're just punters. So anyway, rather than take the chance and arrive there and then get a load of grief off them and possibly even get sent back, we've chosen to go for the Carnet. Having renewed mine, because I did it last year, it was quite easy to renew. You just had to click a button and pay 405 quid. So I'm presuming it's still going to be £405 if you haven't had a Carnet before, and then they post you out these copies that you've got to sign and take with you. Anyway, hope that's been helpful. If there's any other information you require, just message me or put it on Facebook, and if I can reply, I will. So hopefully see you all at Aston behind me.